Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you all are doing well. So children, today let's start our third chapter and that is Introduction to Neural Networks. So neural networks. What is that children? Have you heard this word in our previous classes? Do you remember? Yes. We have discussed about the same in our first and second chapter under the topic fields which are closely related to artificial intelligence. So networks, it is one of the data modeling technique which are closely related with the discipline of artificial intelligence. So how? Let's start with the definition of artificial intelligence. So, children, what is AI? Yes, it is the branch of computer science that is focused upon the development of intelligent machines thinking and working like humans. And neural network is inspired by the biological neural network. So, what is that biological neural network? Yes, our brain. That means in neural network, it is trying to mimic or stimulate the working of our human brain. Okay, children? And the networks which are created by this method are capable of machine learning, which means learning from the experience. So, how these terms are interrelated? Let's see. So children, here you can see neural networks, deep learning, machine learning and human brain. So children, neural network form the base of deep learning. And deep learning, it is a subfield of machine learning where algorithms are inspired by the structure of human brain. Children, in our second chapter under the topic modeling, which is the third stage of AI project cycle, we have discussed about different data modeling techniques. And some of the popular modeling techniques are given there, in which deep neural network is one of the modeling technique. So neural network, or we can call it as artificial neural network, it is a series of algorithm which is used to recognize relationship in a set of data through a process that mimics the way our human brain operates. And in simple terms, we can say that creating a system which is purely based on human brains. As we all know, our human brain has billions of brain cells which are interconnected to each other, and these cells work parallelly in real time. But the thing is that it is not possible to create human like structured computers, but here artificial neural network use simplified models of neurons in the brain, and these neurons are known as nodes. In neural networks, it is learning by doing, that is processing data just like our human brains do. Okay, that means it is based on the working of human brain, and where it is mainly used for data modeling and statistical analysis. And there are different applications of artificial neural networks in the area of image, text and speech recognition, making a medical diagnosis, making stock market predictions, etc. Let's see some real life examples of artificial neural networks, and that is Google Translate and Google Assistant, which is purely based on the image, text and speech recognition capability of the ANN systems. Google can translate up to more than 100 different human languages. And next is in the field of automated self-driving cars from Tesla to Google on Waymo, which are being perfected with the help of artificial neural networks. And next is virtual assistants like Siri, Cortana, and Alexa that can literally read your mind, which is mainly based on different fields like deep learning, machine learning, and natural language processing. And the next application is video games. ANN has also made its way in different video games. Another creative product of ANN is content automation tool, and its name is Wordsmith, which can convert data into insightful narratives, and it is used by most popular companies of the world. And ANN has found its way into creating art and music, mainly in the field of music composition. One such application is MuseNet, which can now compose classical music. It is also used by the doctors in hospitals to diagnose medical problems, as these neural networks can also scan billions of patient records. So, children, these are several applications of artificial neural networks. As we human beings are able to recognize patterns and make decisions with the help of our human brain, these artificially created neural networks can help us in doing the same. Okay? Yes, children, I hope you all have understood some basics about the neural networks, and we will discuss about the same in detail in our coming classes. So that's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.